Hey, good day, folks. Another S Group daily review video. I believe this is video 125, and it is a Sunday. Of course, we got our earnings on Friday evening, which actually was 0.43%. So I made $81.85 on the money I've invested in the Forex system. All right, guys, and now, the money I made, it wasn't actually at the near tier that I just upgraded. If you see my last video, you would notice that I upgraded to the 80-20 tier because I just surpassed 25,000, which you can see right here. I'm 25,200, guys. So I am moving right along here. Now I've made $859.50 in 18 days of having my money in the system. Just think about that, guys. This is straight passive income. And I've just surpassed like about half the month. So I have another just under half a month left. So this is almost going to double. So I'm going to be somewhere between 1,500 and 2,000 USD in the month. And that'll be on the 18th. April 18th is when I'm going to be combining. So as you see on the calendar here, that's next week, Tuesday, right here, the 18th. Because the whole idea, guys, is we can't let our investments. Oh, I'll just put this back down here. We can't let our investments go longer than 30 days, because if so, then we can't touch them. They're frozen. So what I'm doing is every 4 weeks, every 28 days, I'm just going to be combining my investments. That will then shoot the money at the up to the top right, and then I'll have access to it to do whatever I want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reinvest probably about a third of it. I'm going to take 500, throw it back in here, and then keep the other 1,000 up here, so I can have money to enjoy over the next 30 days after until we go into May, until that amount becomes available again. So as you see here, I'm at the 80-20 tier. It says right here, current distribution level, 80% is mine, 20% of the company's. And I have these three running here, guys. I'm going to let them just run until both of these here turn into 28. So it's another 10 more days. And this one will be whatever it is, but I'm going to combine them all together, and it'll be one giant chunk, which will be 25,200. Then I'm going to do another reinvestment with about 400 or 500. So going to keep things moving, guys. I mean, I've been in the system for 2.5 years. I'm pretty excited about this milestone. Like, just think, if I can get to 30,000, I was figuring out, which won't take too long, few months, but once I reach 30,000, any day that's 0.4%. So like, for example, a day like Friday, anything 0.4 or higher, I'll make $100. So I'll be almost every single day making over $100, guys. So it's going to keep growing, keep snowballing, and it's definitely a beautiful thing, guys. Like I said, if you're looking to join S Group, things are really stable here, guys. I've been with the company for 2.5 years. And not one day has passed that I have not made money from Monday to Friday for each trading Forex day. I've made money every single day for 2.5 years. And you can see that right here for my all-time income. So I've made over $23,712.56 in about 2.5 years. It'll be 3 years in October this year. So I'm 2.5 years in. And it's real simple, guys. Like I said, you just invest your money in the system, and then you earn daily profits. So if this sounds something that would be of interest to you, of course, if you want to check it out, look in the back office, look around, do some more reading up on it, you could definitely sign up by clicking on the link down below in the description. And you'll sign up underneath my team. You'll be able to read up on all the trading history and the company and things of that nature. And and when you're ready to make that plunge, guys, just invest whatever you can in the system to try it out. Most people come in at these 3 levels, so it's really up to you whatever level you want to come in. And that's pretty much that. And you just leave the money in there, and then it just starts growing. Of course, this is the Forex. There's these 3 other areas you can invest in as well. You can do more reading upon that. But I just want to make this quick 5-minute daily review video to show you guys how I'm doing for the last day there. Hopefully tomorrow's a good day, Monday. For the trades. Of course, this first investment, it takes 1 business day to kick in. So this one won't earn on Monday. These 2 will. But on Tuesday, all 3 of these will earn at this all together there. So this pretty much ends my 5-minute daily review video, guys. Don't forget to click on the sign up link down below. Sign up, join my team. I'll answer all the questions you have. And don't forget to click on the subscribe link down below so that way you can subscribe to my channel. You can see all the necessary updates and everything and my progress. So I'll see you guys.